What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Cass, and I'm back with another video.
Extra, this shit is hard.
It's been a minute since I picked the camera up to record, but life been lifing. But yeah, we back. I hope y'all appreciate this video. Today we got a few errands to run, so let's go. So the first thing we gotta do is go get some gas because I got 24 miles to empty. So I picked the camera back up once I get to the gas station. So $53 got us 296 miles. Somebody let me know if that's good gas mileage or not. So now that we got gas, I gotta go pick up these tips so I can get my mufflers deleted. It's about a 30-minute drive, so I pick the camera back up once I get there. Okay, so it's been 2 days since I recorded the last clip. I forgot I was recording. But today we're gonna wash my car and then I'm gonna show y'all the tips that I got put on. Okay, so I'm watching the video back, and at this point is when I realized the soap didn't work. So I had to literally use the soap where the water come out with it and hold it while I'm washing the car. At that point I was over it, but I didn't want to waste my $10, so it was like whatever. Okay, so as y'all can see, I got on a different outfit, which means it's a different day. I'm on day 3 of trying to film this video for y'all. Yesterday, somebody was acting weird at the car wash, so I had to leave. And I didn't know another spot to record, but I found one now. So I'm gonna show y'all everything that I have did to my car since the last time y'all seen me. Only a little has changed. I put a splitter on and I put some white side markers. I'm taking all these decals off and redoing them in a different color. These are the tips. Very cutesy. And I put a diffuser on too. I got another plate cover because I'm going for the all black look. So I'm gonna take all this off. But this is how she currently looks. I need to redo my calipers too. Next thing on the list is to lower it and get some more wheels. I gotta get some more tires too, because these in the front, I don't know what they got going on, but they going bald. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little warm start so y'all can hear what it's sounding like. So I don't know if y'all can hear that little squeaking noise. I know it's somebody out there that done had the same issue. Can somebody please tell me how to fix it? Because it's aggravating. So yeah, that's gonna conclude today's video. I'm gonna try to be more consistent with content. I'll probably be posting another video next week. So thank y'all for tuning in. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the like, comment. Yeah, and I'll see y'all on the next video.